What is procedural programming?
Procedural programming is a way of writing software using step-by-step instructions organized into procedures or functions. You focus on what the program should do, broken into tasks and subtasks. Common procedural languages include C and Pascal. This approach is like writing a recipe. Each step follows the last as the computer moves line by line through the code.
What is object-oriented programming?
Object-oriented programming, OOP, organizes code around objects, which are combinations of data and behavior. Objects represent real-world things or concepts, each with properties and functions called methods. OOP languages like Java or Python make it easy to group related features, helping code stay tidy and easy to reuse as projects grow larger.
Key differences: structure and thinking.
In procedural programming, the focus is on actions, what should happen next. It uses functions and global data. Object-oriented programming, on the other hand, centers on the objects themselves and how they interact. This means thinking about how different parts of a program behave rather than just the sequence of events.
A simple example: bank account.
Imagine making a program for bank accounts. A procedural approach would use separate functions for depositing or withdrawing. In OOP, you'd create a bank account object with built-in methods like deposit and withdraw. This groups all the account logic together, making each account its own independent object.
When to use each approach.
Procedural programming is often best for small, simple tasks or scripts. It's straightforward and easy to read. Object-oriented programming shines in larger projects where code needs to be organized and reused. Modern software often combines both styles, using the strengths of each where they fit best.